What up, y'all? I'm Bokeh Bob, and today we're going to be checking out the HMX Xinhai switches from Uni Keyboards. Before we get started, I always like to make it clear that these switches were sent to me for a review from Uni Keyboards. However, all opinions are my own and from my experiences using the switches. I usually type on these switches for about a week before dropping a switch review. Also, it would be greatly appreciated if you can slam any leftovers you have from Thanksgiving onto that like and subscribe button. It's a great way to support the channel and allows me to bring more reviews like these to you in the future. Now, let's check out these switches. Hit that B-roll, baby. Another new manufacturer for me to review, or shall I say a newer to those in the Western Hemisphere. HMX is for sure a newer manufacturer that we have been seeing become more and more popular to us in the United States and Canada. Some earlier switches from them include the Macaroon and Macchiato switch. However, recently, they have put out several switches that have been making a bang in the mechanical keyboard community, especially for those who like high-pitch clack. Some of these switches include the Cloud, Cheese, and Hyacinth switches, which I will most likely review in the future. Now, let's turn our attention deeper into the Xinhai switch from HMX. Let's open them up, check them out, and of course see how they sound in the Mode Envoy. The top housing is made from PA12, which is an HMX specific nylon mixture. The bottom housing is just noted as modified nylon. And of course the stem is palm, as per usual. Lastly, we have a 45 gram, 22 millimeter single stage spring, which in my opinion feels heavier than 45 grams. These switches are also factory lubed and have a 3.4 millimeter travel, which is pretty short travel in my opinion. Before we hear these switches, I always like to remind everyone that the Mode Envoy you see in all of my switch review videos is always built exactly the same, palm plate with no foam and GMK keycaps. Be prepared to be impressed. These switches are very good and easily turned into one of my favorite switches of the year. Let's check them out. I'm a straight shooter, and these switches just straight slap. They're full, loud, and clacky. They don't have any spring ping or crunches, and of course, they're smooth. They come in at a price tag at 35 cents a switch, which is outstanding and readily available across many vendors now that they have become so popular. When it comes to quirks, I can only think of two reasons why you shouldn't have these switches either in your collection or in your favorite keyboard. 1. You don't like a loud, clacky switch. 2. They're out of stock, which could happen soon, so I would definitely jump on these if you're interested. At the time of this video, my affiliate Uni Keyboards has sold out of these switches. I'll still link them in the description so you know what they are so you can find them on other websites. Now this comes down to my recommendation. Buy these switches. Do it quickly. As I said, they're sold out on Uni Keyboards website. That's all I need to say. HMX is putting out banger after banger that I think it's because they suit my preferred sound profile. But these switches are perfect for me, and they could be perfect for you. Who's your favorite switch manufacturer? Mine has recently switched to HMX because of these switches, but Bsun is very close behind. I hope all of my subscribers in the USA had a great Thanksgiving, and I want to thank all of you for tuning into my review videos and subscribing. It's greatly appreciated. And if you're interested in giveaways, please check out my Instagram, which I'll link it in the description below. This month I'm doing a giveaway with a bunch of stuff leading up to Christmas of 2023. So go give me a follow and be on the lookout for free keep stuff. As always, check out some of my content here. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful rest of your week. Bokeh Bob out.